Maybe that's what Jelly Bean wants it. I heard he's killed
No
3 people
rice.
already. I escaped, he said. But one day he just might miss. I got an idea.
Huh? There you go. Have them cruising out there. I got a nice easy job, man. Wait. No, you get back here by summertime. Get started.
What are these?
See what you close now.
What is it?
Kind of,
You game for this hook?
I don't know where it exactly where.
Let it go.
In Philippines called pichay. But I don't know what call this here.
I don't know if I need to lose my shirt off. There's something fierce. Well, you're gonna get it now. You're gonna get the sweat box. I don't mean just a couple of hours or a day or two. You're gonna stay in that sweat box till your insides cook. Nobody's gonna put me in that. Nobody.
Good.
Okay.
I love it.
It's easy and it's good.
And
And a lovely white meat for me.
Gotta go leave there with Joe.
Now, what do you want to go make a few lad pull a hook? You'll die anyway.
If you have heart disease and struggle with LDL-C, even with statins and diet, listen to your